There was a periodical requirement at a hospital to clean a chandelier placed at a height of 80 feet. The light bulbs would get dusty often. So, how different did we handle this? We gave a very simple solution. It took 10 man-hours every month to refurbish the chandelier. We brought that down to 2 man-hours of work. We brought down the operational cost by 75%, and most important of all, eliminated the risk of working at a height. We brought the chandelier down using a winch and made it pristine and immaculate with ease. Clap, clap.